So we are here today for you to taste and give us your review. So here you go. Here's the first one. So take a sip and let me know what you taste.
So this tastes like alcohol.
Okay. Are there any other flavors? Maybe vanilla, caramel, leather?
No, the alcohol flavoring is overpowering.
Okay. Let's try a different one, but this time, let's just smell it. You can actually get a lot of characteristics just from the smell alone.
Oh yes, much easier. Already just from the smell, before taking a sip, I could tell this is a whiskey alcohol.
Yes. This time, let's take a sip and see if you can pick out anything more than just whiskey alcohol.
Yes, you know what? I'm getting a hint of glass. I think I'm getting a hang of this. Is there anything else you have?
No. That's it.
What about that one?
Oh, yes. Good eye. It's just iced alcohol whiskey with a hint of glass.
Oh, no. There's a lot more to this one than that.
Really?
Yeah, I'm definitely getting whiskey.
Yes.
And you're right about the ice.
Yes.
But there is something else. What is it?
Perhaps bourbon, sugar, bitters?
Oh, I know what it is. It's an old-fashioned.
Tasting skit, take 3. This is going to be the badass one.
Yes.
All right.
Oh, it's me.
Oh, wait.
But look, this is glass.
Yeah.
That's supposed to be glass.
Yes. So, you know what? Take a sip and you can... And see.
Wait, I was already taking a sip. Yeah. Oh, no. There's a lot more to this one than that. Am I supposed to... Oh, I'm taking a sip.
Yeah. So.
Oh.
I think that was good.